Hello and welcome to Crypto Weeklies. Today in this video we are going to analyze the estimated bull run targets for major cryptos. This is one of the videos which features our latest features on the channel released under indicator. This is the website of the channel cryptoweeklies.com. The link is on the bottom of your screen. This website provides machine learning based price forecast, regression analysis, as well as accumulation strategies based on risk levels. And this the new feature that we have today is the estimated bull case targets, which is a combination of the three models of the simple moving average, time weighted average price based model, and the dollar cost average based model. These bull case targets for most of the top cryptos for the upcoming bull run of 2025 is based on what is the latest price for the crypto, as well as what are the risks such as the DCA risk, the time weighted based on the regression model, the time weighted average price risk, the SMA risk, and a weighted analysis of those risks in the proportion 7:2:1. Based on because the regression risk or the regression risk reward deals with one market cycle at a time weighted average price multiple market cycles, and the SMA risk for shorter term accumulation based risk reward. The weighted risk provides the details for how overheated or cooled off a crypto is from its peak. And based on the relationship between the latest price and the weighted risk, there is a bull case target for most of the cryptos. We'll discuss 4 or 5 cryptos today. HBAR, which is the Hedera's hash graphs crypto. Right now the price is at around 5 cents over here. You can see if you check HBAR, rank number 43, again 5.3 cents. We have again rounded off to 5 cents based on the latest risk price. Again, per the regression analysis, the risks are essentially zero. The time weighted average price based risks are essentially zero. The SMA risk is 0.26, weighted risk at around 0.08, and per the bull case peak for this crypto is at around 64 cents. Right now, if we focus our attention to HBAR over here and check the machine learning based price forecast, the 64 cents would be ways above the current peak, or the last peak at around 44 cent in the last market cycle. This is because the shorter term machine learning based price forecast deal with 3 to 4 month window, and again do not account for any mania phases. This is the at around 68 percentile or 1 standard deviation forecast. But if you check what could happen theoretically in a 2 standard deviation move, the 40 cents level at around March of 2025 would not be outside the scope. And again, this is just till March of 2025. So again, most of the action happens in the next half of, or the second half of the 2025. So again, one could make a case for this estimated bull case forecast. These are not based on machine learning based analysis. This is based on risk or regression based analysis and simple moving average based analysis. These are the price forecast for HBAR at around 64 cents. Now we'll spend some attention more on some of the other high risk reward related, and again they are sorted based on, not based on market cap, but based on higher risk, higher rewards based on the low risk environment. The Algorand and its token ALGO coming in at around 13 cents is one of the other coins to focus per this model. Again, Matic again has transition from proof of transition from Matic to Paul. So kind of not a point to discuss at this point, and unless we have more information about the price action of the new token. So focusing on ALGO today, right now price at around 13 cents. And the weighted risk, because the regression risk and the time weighted average price is essentially zero. The only component is the SMA risk, again coming in at around 0.11 risk. Price target at around $1.09. I know this price action would not be considered as ultra bullish, because the previous all-time high for ALGO was all the way about $2. But as you can see that ALGO is slowly but surely slipping on its market cap based rankings. not too long ago, ALGO was, I think, if you take a historical snapshot, right now the rank of ALGO is at around 65, 64th rank. But if you take a historical snapshot of the uh, of the crypto market cap and go back to, let's say, 2022, let's say equivalent, there we check October 2022, and if you try to search ALGO over here, you would find that ALGO was ranked much higher than what it is today. If we search over here, ALGO rank was at again 48th spot. If we go further back, if instead of 2020 we go 2020, let's say end of 2021, and check ALGO, and its rank was 22nd. So you can see over the course of 3 years, the rank has slipped from just outside top 20 to now slowly but surely outside top 50, and potentially trying to touch somewhere out of the top 100 cryptos by market cap. So again, that is one way to analyze. Again, even in 2022, the rank was at around 28th. So again, although this means that the chance of ALGO reaching its previous all-time high is relatively low. Again, we are almost towards the end of 2024. We don't have a crystal ball, so nobody can estimate what could happen to a crypto in a potential bull run. But again, using these tools, at least we are closer to the idea. And again, looking at data points such as what the crypto is doing on its market cap ranking, as well as if there are any narratives strongly associated with cryptos, such as this is the last 7 days worth of word cloud, based on what are some of the popular discussions related to crypto on YouTube and X. Bitcoin and bullish sentiment definitely taking the center stage. Again, Solana, Hedera, again the crypto that we discussed, Sui, XRP are discussed at length, whereas cryptos such as Algorand, as well as again over here Cardano is being discussed at length. Ether definitely one of the major ones. But you can see rarely Algorand will feature in this NarrativeCloud. That is because not much attention right now. But nonetheless, as and when this changes, this NarrativeCloud is accessible for all. You can check over here under the indicators in terms of what the market is doing on its crypto the risk reward journey between 0 and 1 being lowest rewards, highest risk, 0 being lowest risk, highest potentially reward. Right now it's at 0.18. Again, the second best time to DC, again in this environment, the low risk, that is between risk between 0.1 and 0.2, color coded in green. You can see over here the last data point that we have is in green at 0.18 risk. Not too long ago, crypto was in March of 2024, the risk were at 0.37. So again, market has definitely cooled off, but again, as the purpose of this analysis is identifying if the market is in a dip buying mode. Again, whenever the color is green, definitely a good data point. Potentially the best point is when the market color code is blue, when the risk are sub 0.1. Till the last data point that we had was November 22nd of 2023. Since then we haven't been in that market or that environment of high accumulation favorability. So now we'll focus mostly on the estimated bull case for one more crypto. Let's check another popular crypto over here. Let's take an example of Chainlink. Rank number I think number 14th or 15th by market cap. I'm not too sure. Yeah, number 14 by market cap. Price action at around $11.27, and again market cap above 7 billion. Slightly slight gap between the number 13 and 14, about 3.3 billion worth of gap. So clear demarcation between the top 13 and the 14. So a lot of room to grow before it goes into top 10, but potentially has been always in top 20. If you check some of the historical snapshot, you would find that chain link has been in discussion and has garnered a lot of attention. Let's take a random month towards the Jan 2022 and check if link has been in. So at number 21st, now it has actually grown in its rankings. Again, kind of opposite of Algorand, to be frank. And in 2023, again, if we do the same analysis, link was ranked number 11. So has not been at the same spot, but has not relinquished lot of market share to other cryptos. Potentially at that point the price was at $16. One might say that if it goes back to $16, it might be at a similar spot, considering the tokenomics has changed, or the new tokens have been issued. But again, even if we take March 2024 as an example and do the same analysis over here, link was at 13th spot. So again, not too bad, just relinquished one spot. And in terms of its risk-based analysis, you can see the regression-based analysis, or the TCA model, is pointing at 0 risk. The time-weighted average price is 0.717 risk, SMA at 0.34 risk. If you weight it, and again, this takes about 70% of share, this 20, and this 10%. Again, that's the logical argument, because we are dealing with one market cycle. So the 0.15 risk, and this puts links potential bull run peak at around $70. Again, these peaks are conservative. They are not geared to outlandish valuations. This is again 2 standard deviation move will correspond potentially to a 2 standard deviation move. If we go back to check the machine learning based price forecast, right now the bull case model is between $12 and about $22 at 68% or 1 standard deviation. If we take a 2 standard deviation, that goes till about March of 2025 at around $36. Again, if that is the case in March, if we say that the bull run has 6 more months worth of wiggle room, again a $68, $69 or $70 link would not be too outlandish per that scenario. If we go back to this 3 standard deviation move, that is in March itself, it's at around $56. So that's what is potentially in stores if the bull run were to kick. Again, none of the content is financial advice. This is again based on risk as well as machine learning based analysis. We are discussing several cryptos at a time. Again, last but not the least, we'll conclude with ADA, which is Cardano's native token. Again, as we just saw, it's still in trend. There are discussions related to ADA right now over here in Cardano and ADA are essentially the same narrative. Per the market cycle, you can see it was historically speaking, it was ranked number 8th in 2024. Again, not too long ago. If we go back 2023, let's say February 2023 as an example, ranked number 8, has relinquished some of the share, but not too bad. In terms of market cap, ranked number 11th, still market cap above $12.2 billion. And if we go back to the bull run targets, again the risks are the lowest risk is on its time weighted average pair, again 0 essentially, and per the regression or the DCA pair, for the DCA pair, the risk is again at 0.16, not too bad. And the machine learning based price forecast is sharing a story between 40 cents and about $1.30 at 1 standard deviation itself. But the risk based analysis and the bull run target for ADA per this analysis at around $2, just about $2 for this bull run, which would still correspond to, if we go back to the machine learning based approach, it would be still under the 95 percentile, way under the 95 percentile or the 2 standard deviation percentile bull case for ADA in the upcoming potential bull run. Again, this is just an estimation. So hope you enjoyed the content. If you did, please subscribe to the channel, also give this video a like, and hope to see you again tomorrow. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye bye.